Morning guys, Connor here at Just Step Water, and today we are in Adair, Iowa to start on this new pondless water feature in this front yard. This feature is going to be pretty cool because it's strictly for the front of the house. There's not really going to be many views inside. There will be noise and stuff that gets inside, obviously, just because the water's pretty loud, heck off this front section pretty well. But as you pull up to this property, there's some pretty cool big rocks and big planters by the street. And the goal is to have the water feature be the backdrop on the back side of that, so that as you see through those big things up by the road, you see the water feature poking through the back. Today we have a little bit of prep work to be able to get everything put in. Homeowners got the plants they wanted to save taken out, and started getting some of this rock moved for us. We're going to move the rest of this rock, sort of clear out this area, pop these plants. Got some rocks on the outer edge that we're also going to pop because we have free range to use all of those. And then we're going to bring in some soil from a different portion of the property, build up a berm, get our basin dug, and then we have about a 12-foot pondless waterfall with 2 to 3 sections of falls and about 2 foot of grade change. So let's get ourselves prepped. Let's get our basin dug and go from there.
Alright guys, so we have our area sort of flattened out, torn up. We got 1 load of dirt already brought in, but we have our area for our system ready to go. So next step, we're going to get our basin painted out. I'll start working on getting this basin dug up while Eli brings our next load of dirt. After the basin is painted out, I guess before we dig it, we'll get the basin painted, amoeba shape painted, and sort of measure out the stream section, and then get an idea on where we want to set some grade stones back here to retain soil off the side of the house. We want to get that good view towards the street up there, so we're going to take big boy rock right there, probably set him off to the side to sort of start this retaining wall so you can still see the size of him from the street, and we'll build stuff up back here, bring soil into here, basin will get dug, soil will be brought out there, and we'll get everything built up. So we're chipping right away, moving along pretty good. Pitter patter.
Alrighty guys, that wraps up this front yard glow up. As talking about, the homeowner really enjoys doing some of these landscape projects while her husband's tied up with the harvest. She called us in, we came in, spruced up the front landscape, harvest got over, and the husband was able to come home to a nice surprise of a beautiful water feature in the front yard. Really enjoyed this project, had a few little hiccups in it, but it went pretty smooth by the end of it. Really enjoy the falls we have. You got a beautiful view of it as you drive to the front of this property. You can see the top falls from the street. As you walk to the front door of this property, you can also see some beautiful waterfalls pointing back at you as you walk up the sidewalk. Thanks for tuning in with this one, guys. Leave a comment down below on what you really enjoyed about this. If you want to see more stuff like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click that bell icon to get updated every time we upload. Shorts uploaded daily, long videos every Wednesday. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one.